In this video, we will be showing you how to assemble the 36-inch foldable kids mini trampoline. In the box, you will find the center handrail, the frame pad, the legs and the caps, the jump mat and frame, and the left and right side handrails. Locate the middle of the jump mat and frame and unfold to make half a circle in shape. Unfold again to create the complete frame in a complete circle with the mat properly stretched out. Once the jump mat has been completely unfolded, you may install the safety hooks back into it to avoid it for clamping up. Install the frame pad. Align the openings of the frame pad into the screws of the frame. Once installed, remove all the frame caps from the screws. Install all 6 leg tubes onto the frame. Only 4 of them should have leg caps in order to install the handrails onto the frame. Slide both the left side handrail and right side handrail to the respective legs and secure with a leg cap. Do this with both side handrails. The top of the handrails must be facing each other. Using the knob screws provided, tighten the handrails onto the leg tubes and put 2 on each side. Place the center handrail between both side handrails and install it using the snap and click buttons. Thank you for watching this how-to video. For more information and help on this product, click on the link below.